Hello, and welcome to Kid Yokai's a-combofterror.
Guess first.
This is Cho the Artista Bulldog, and today's movie review we gotta see is The Beast from Yucca, France. A Soviet scientist pressed to defeat a wound when he is ambushed by KGB agents. The assassin pursues him across a desert wasteland. When they are caught at ground zero of a nuclear test site, although the scientist survives the bomb detonation, atomic radiation transforms him into a monster. Skin peeling off his afflicted body, the beast embarks a violent rampage, killing travelers and kidnapping women. A pair of rangers track down the mutant through the corpse-strewn desert while attempting to destroy the killer and end his spree. The destructive style of a-combofterror is perplexing, mind-boggling, and yet often intensely creepy due to budgetary limitations. The Beast of Yucca France was filmed without sound, with narration and occasional dialogue, and then afterwards, Cho Chus's trademark library oriented to diversity and evolving humor.
Alright, thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
You have to physically show the thumbs up, Jeremy. Alright, until next time.
Catch you later.